friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, Hajime and my name is Hello. So today, I first want to apologize for the lack of Halloween content like I said there would be. I just got really busy with school and with other stuff, and I didn't get to post even like my tutorial for my Halloween look this year. So please let me know if you would still like to see me teaching you guys how to do what my Halloween costume was this year. There were pictures of it on my Instagram, which will be linked down below if you want to see that. But today I want to do a makeup video inspired by this little gem like sticker thing. So I actually have had that for quite a while, but I just didn't know what to do with it. I didn't really think of like something that would be fun for Halloween with it. But now I'm just gonna use that to inspire this makeup look that I'm doing right now. So looking at this, the main colors I see are like purple and like a green blue. So what I wanted to do was kind of create like an extravagant eye look and then maybe tie some of those colors into my other base stuff. Also, I just want to mention this. I don't know if you can tell, but this cheek is like looks irritated. Especially more than the other one, and that is because my skin had a reaction to either the makeup or the soap that I used for my Halloween costume last night. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to cover that up with my base, but just letting you all know, be very careful with makeup, especially if you have sensitive skin. Always do a patch test before you use any sort of makeup, just to make sure that your skin doesn't react like mine did. So moving on, I'm just gonna try to like brainstorm about what I want this eye look to look like, and then I'll get back to you. So I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. I know I want to incorporate like those eye looks that have the eyeshadow start like in front of the inner corner and kind of go all the way out, like maybe even to a wing. I'm not sure yet. Probably a cut crease, maybe a wing from the outer corner too. But I'm just gonna kind of roll with what I'm feeling right now. So I'm just gonna get started. Okay, now that I have the purple done, I am taking this like blue-green shimmer shade and I'm gonna try to make a wing out there to kind of match that. Okay, and I want to have it connect across the eye, but I want to fill this in with, I think, since this has like white gems, like diamonds almost, I want to fill it in with like a white glitter shadow. So I'm gonna find that real quick. This has big Ariel vibes and I didn't even mean for it to. So that's my bad, but I'm just gonna keep going with it because I really like how these colors are working together. So I love how this is looking. Just a couple more things to finish it up. I'm going to put some light purple eyeshadow below my eye real quick. So I'm just going to do this to my other eye off camera real quick, and then I'll be right back for the next step. So this is how both eyes look so far. I'm pretty happy with it. And one thing that I kind of want to do is to kind of tie more of these colors into my whole face, is use like either a purple or a bluish color as contour. So one thing that I was thinking that I want to do is bring this, that how I was going to have it like down my eye, I actually want to have it come into like a nose contour. So I'm going to work on that right now. So I really like how this looks. It looks really harsh on camera, but it doesn't really look like that in real life. I don't know why the camera is picking it up like that. But next I want to do is use some of these pupils as a cheek contour and maybe tie this into like a forehead contour or something. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm just gonna roll with it and we'll see what happens. So I think this is looking pretty cool. It reminds me a lot of the pink neon video that I did. Go watch that one if you haven't seen it. But this kind of reminds me a lot like it. So we have a lot of purple going on, obviously. And what I want to do is I want to take like a blue-green shimmer like shade and use it as like a highlight. So I'm just going to do that right now. I'm not quite sure how I like this. It's very harsh and it's casting like a gleam, I think it's called, where you can like totally just see it and it's not blending out very well. I'm gonna try to fix this. So I kind of think that this is the best I'm gonna get. So I'm just gonna put on mascara real quick and then I'll pick out a lip and then we'll put on the gemstones. So I'll be right back after mascara. So mascara is on, and what my idea was for lips was to take this purple liquid lipstick, put it on the like the inner center of my lips, and then take this pinky one and do it outside, kind of like a lip liner. So I'm gonna work on that right now. So now the last step is to just put these stickers on. So that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. That was easy enough. That looks pretty even. Okay, I think this looks awesome. I was like kind of questioning how this look was turning out, but now with the stickers actually on, I think it looks great. I'm so happy with it. So I think that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It means so much. And leave a comment down below if A, you want to see a tutorial of my Halloween costume, and B, if you like this video, because you guys' feedback really means so much to me and I really appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!